Hey yo, we're about to try this Popeyes chicken sandwich. They said it's really good.
Yeah.
The hype is real. They sold out in August because people were fighting over the sandwich. So now we're about to go try out the sandwich. But the problem is the line is so long.
Kaya natin yan. We can do it. Nag-debut ang Popeyes chicken sandwich August 12. 2 weeks lang nag-sold out siya. And November 3 yung return. So, ano ngayon? November 4. So, tingnan natin kung sana meron pa. Kasi nagsasold out talaga sila sa sobrang...
Goodness. The line is so long.
Sa sobrang sarap. Pero ngayon natin malalaman kung gaano kasarap yung Popeyes chicken sandwich. So guys, hindi ito sponsored video. Ito try lang talaga namin. So, mag-u-turn pa lang kami dito. Pero nakita na namin kung gaano kahaba ang pila sa drive-thru. Drive-thru lang tayo, diba?
Yeah.
Hindi kami magda-dine-in kasi ganun din.
Tsaka delikado kasi.
Kaya, see you sa pila. Sana makaya namin ang pila. Okay?
Let's go.
Let's go! Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo gaano ka dami yung pumipila ngayon dito sa Popeyes.
Vlog! Oh man!
So, yan ang Popeyes.
So long.
Andito kami!
Babe, look at the line inside.
Oh my! I hope nakikita nyo yung gaano kadami yung tao. Tapos andito kami sa...
Babe, look at the sign that says I'm back.
Okay. Officially, bumalik na siya. At yung tao sa loob, sobrang dami. Ayun. Sana forward pa. Para makita nila. Ang dami. At kung ilan yung mga binibili ng mga yan, hindi pa natin alam. So, nandito pa lang tayo. Ang layo pa natin. Paikot pa lang.
Hey, we're about to do this vlog in the car.
Yes. Okay.
It's better when the sandwich is hot. But this line is really long though.
Try natin. So, nag-start kami pumila 5:05. Let's see kung ilang minutes yung pila natin hanggang sa makuha natin yung product. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes, 5:10 na ngayon. Yung kotse kanina sa harap natin, yung black, nawala na siya, sumuko na agad siya.
We'll find out.
Hindi na siya nag-continue sa pila.
Yo, look how long this line is at Popeyes. It's crazy. But we're about to find out the hype behind the sandwich. So, we started lining up at 5:05. It's 5:14, which is not bad. I was actually anticipating a longer wait time. But we're about to find out if this sandwich is better than Chick-fil-A. Because Chick-fil-A is supposed to be the king of chicken sandwiches. But let's try Popeyes. Chicken sandwiches and 2 spicy chicken sandwiches.
2 classic chicken sandwiches and 2 spicy?
Yeah, 2 classics and 2 spicy.
Anything else for you, sir?
Okay guys, 5:25 na. Wala pa yung product. Medyo malayo pa kami sa cashier. Ayan, aandar na tayo. Ilang cars pa? 2 cars away. 2 cars away pa kami. Ang tagal nating nantay ah. Siguro ang daming in-order nung isa.
Probably.
So dito na lang tayo kakain kasi naisip namin kapag dadalhin pa sa bahay, baka yung
the bun might get soggy
Yeah.
because it's in a little pack. So the bun's gonna get soggy.
So kailangan ma-review natin yung sandwich habang mainit pa siya. So dito tayo magbi-video mamaya. Tagal, hahagutom na rin. Sige, wait natin yung...
So we ordered 2 spicy chicken sandwiches and we ordered 2 classics. So I mean it's bad because it's a fried chicken sandwich and it's carbs. But tomorrow we're gonna work out.
Yeah.
It's okay.
We'll burn it tomorrow. It's 5:31. Nandito na kami sa
You got 2 spicy
cashier.
and 2 classic chicken sandwiches?
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be $17.28.
Yeah. And then 2 cups of water.
Okay.
Thanks. Dang, They ordered like 10 sandwiches. I saw this girl's bag. She had like 10 sandwiches.
Here you go.
Thank you, bro.
And would you like the water cups with ice?
Yes, please.
There you go. I'll get you the water cups right now.
Thank you.
So guys, so this is the sandwich. It's already 5:33. Nag-start tayong pumila
5:05.
5:05.
And 30 minutes later, we're about to get our sandwich. 30 minutes later, we got our sandwich, pretty much.
Okay. May parking na kami and we're going to try the sandwich.
So I'm gonna story it on my IG. Is it okay?
Yeah. So let me see. Ito yun. Ano kaya ito? Let's take this out.
Let's open the chicken.
This is the sandwich. And oh my golly.
Oh dear. So it looks good.
What do you think? This is the spicy or the classic?
Looks like the classic.
Okay, let's try. Oh no.
Let's go. So this is this.
Look guys. Malapit ko na maubos.
Are you still hungry? So we try the spicy one first. Oh man.
Tingnan yung gano'ng kakapal yung chicken. Ito yung chicken, no? Gano'ng kakapal. Ang sarap. Sorry.
Man,
Wow.
this is really good. Look at that. I mean, it's chicken breast, but it's so like, it's so juicy. Usually chicken breast is dry.
Ang kapal ng chicken, no? Chicken yan. Look. This is so good. Whew.
Okay. Water time.
I finished mine. Okay.
Hold on.
Pangalawang sandwich natin. This is the classic, right?
So this is the classic one. The first one that we had was actually
So let's open it again.
spicy.
Ang cute ng paglagyan nila, diba?
So the bag is cute, like Chick-fil-A's.
Ta-da! Wow.
This is sandwich number 2. Ready? 1, 2, go.
Wow. Wow.
Dude.
Tingnan nyo kung gaano ka thick yung chicken. So thick. There's pickles, sauce. Ang sarap. Can't believe it. Wow. Oh,
Today's what, Thursday?
today?
Today's Monday.
Yeah.
Let's go back Thursday.
nilagay nila. Sarap. Alam ko meron lang Popeyes sa Philippines, sa Eastwood. But I'm not sure kung merong chicken sandwich doon na gaya nito. Kung meron, try nyo guys. Comment down below kung na-try nyo. Then, hopefully pag uwi ko dyan, matry ko rin yun doon para ma-compare ko. Ang ganda ng pagkaka-toast ng bun, no?
Man.
Almost done.
So I've had many chicken sandwiches in my life. Man, Wendy's, McDonald's, Jack in the Box.
Yung isa.
Which one? Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A was the best sandwich or chicken sandwich I've ever had. But after today, sorry Chick-fil-A, you're no longer the king of chicken sandwiches. Popeyes.
Popeyes now the king.
Number one. I mean, man, every bite has so much flavor. And I'm not even kidding. Like, usually with chicken breast, it's so dry, but literally, look, like if you can see how juicy this is, look at that. Like, see all that juice? Usually chicken sandwiches tend to get dry because it's breast piece, but this one, it's wow.
Way different. Done.
Alright. That was the best chicken sandwich I've ever had in my life. 5 stars.
Not done yet. Still have, I think, 2 more bites.
Woo! That was good. If I'm allowed to eat another one, I would eat another one. But I need to lose weight. So.
Wow.
Thank you, Popeyes.
We're done.
That was worth my hour.